Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Givelify mobile giving app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Givelify is a mobile giving app designed to simplify donations for individuals, churches, and nonprofits. With just a few taps, users can donate to their chosen causes, set up recurring giving, and receive digital receipts for record-keeping. The app also provides donation histories, making it easy for users to track contributions over time. For organizations, it offers tools to manage donations and engage supporters in a modern, cashless way. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is widely appreciated for its clean and intuitive interface, which makes giving quick and seamless. Many users like how they can support their church or nonprofit instantly, even when they are not physically present. Organizations also value the transparency and convenience of receiving funds directly through the app. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users mention occasional glitches with payment methods or app stability. There are also reports of delays in processing donations, and for organizations, transaction fees may be a concern. While Givelify is easy for individuals, larger nonprofits sometimes feel it lacks advanced customization and reporting tools. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Givelify app may be worth using if you want a simple and reliable way to give or receive donations digitally. It shines in convenience, speed, and accessibility. However, if you require highly advanced fundraising tools or want to avoid processing fees, you might find its limitations restrictive. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.